and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a refreshing watermelon smoothie. This smoothie is so delicious and it's great on a hot summer day when you just need to cool down. So what's more to say? Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start with is half of a frozen banana. I just laid these bananas out on a sheet so they didn't get stuck together, and they're now nice and frozen. And then also I have half a cup of ice. And then to that I'm gonna add in my watermelon. I have 1 cup of fresh watermelon. I love watermelon, I cannot get enough of it, so I love this smoothie. And then I also have the juice from half of a lime, or half of a lemon, I'm sorry, but a lime would work as well. And then I also have half a cup of almond milk, but you can use really any milk of your choice. And then also I'm going to be adding fresh mint in today. I'm using about 10 leaves, but if you're not a huge fan of mint, you can not put this in or just put a handful of leaves in. It's really up to you. And there we go. We can now just blend it all together. This smoothie can fill up to 1 or 2 to 3 people depending on how much you want. Today I have quite a lot, but you know, I'm hungry, so it's perfect timing. And now the best part, getting to taste it. That is delicious. The watermelon adds that sweetness, the mint. Wow, that just works together beautifully. This is probably one of my favorite smoothies so far that I'm putting on my channel. So if you like it or try it, please let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel to see more smoothie recipes and desserts and everything else. Or go check out my website because it has everything. It should be listed right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers.